We are ready and ready to go with our Detroit Lions manicure. This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. We have got us a Detroit Lions manicure going today, and I'm going to bring out my glitter dome monocle stamper by Maniology. We have some water decals going. Look how cool this looks. It's got ice creams. This is super cool, huh? Got the plate here. We're going to check this out. This is a Nail Reserve manicure, white Arctic. That's pretty white, don't you think? Pretty white. So we've got some water decals. Some of them have been scored. I'm gonna add some stickers. This is by Shimano. Clear sticky adhesive. This way I know my water decals are gonna stick because this white is oh wait a minute. They're sticky but not sticky enough. I'm gonna add this Shimano sticky. I know it's like all over the place, aren't I? Just so that I know this is sticky. So that they've got a sticky backing. They're real sticky and a backing on the nail. Because these are water decals and they need sticky-ickies to stick to. So I'm going to put this in the lamp for 60. And again, this is sticky clear adhesive base for pigments and glitter, which we're using this for water decals. It'll work just fine. Stick it in the lamp for 60 seconds, and my water decals will adhere just perfectly. You could use these for glitters, fine, super fine glitters, like this one here from Charlie's Nail Art Co.uk. This is a fine matte neon glitter, which would be perfect for this. Not for this, but for the for this. I have a code for this as well. Nailed It 10. Nailed It 50. Don't have a code for the water decals. Those I bought personally myself. JNI10 for the Maniology. I got codes all over the place, so please check the description box. For all your nail art needs, I have codes for everything. You build up codes after, where'd my nail go? After a long time being on YouTube. You build up codes. You build up codes. You build up affiliations. So here we are. We are going to let me turn this around. I want to see. Okay, we're gonna take this one right here. Look at that. We get this. I don't even know what this is. Okay, we're gonna put this just like this in the center of the nail. Look at that right there. Detroit Lions. Yes, sir, Bob. This, I want to take the pink Detroit Lions. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so super cool floating in the middle of the nail. So super cool. So super cool. Oh shoot. Look at that thing just stuck together here. Oh, we got a problem, Louise. Louise, we got a problem. Okay. Okay. We gotta make sure we got them going the right way. Oh my god, this is going the wrong way. Is it? Yes, it is. It's going the wrong way, Louise, and it's stuck there now. Let's see if it gets this up. Oh, it's stuck. It's stuck the opposite way Lions is. Oh my gosh. Oh, snap doodle pop. Shoot. Shoot. Shoot, baby. Boy, it's really hard to see through the stamper. Really hard to see. It looks like something white with all these sparkles. There's our helmet. Here's my Detroit Lions manicure. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Get you a tissue, a paper towel, clean off your palette. Easy peasy. Throw it away and you're done. We are ready to top coat. Put your stamper away and you are finito. You are all finito. Whoops. We are all done. We're ready to top coat with Man Glam's No Wipe Top Coat. And again, I have a code and a link in the description box that will take you right there. Right to the express highway. I like the No Wipe Top Coats myself, to each their own. Some girls like the white. I do not. To each their own though. To each their own. I think this is really super cute. I like to support my Detroit Lions. They are rearing and ready to go this year. They are coming out strong. But our last game last Sunday, I believe it was, on the, can't remember the date, like the 12th. Let me see, what was it? Today is the 16th. I'm filming this on the 16th of October. So probably like the 12th, 4 days ago. Hutchinson had a big mishap. He broke his leg. Ugh. It was not a good thing. It's gonna hurt us. It's gonna hurt us bad. It's gonna hurt us really bad. So, gotta be with us. Gotta be with our Detroit Lions. These are so stinking cute. Look at these. 60 in the lamp. Here we are back out of the lamp. Our nails are finito. My Detroit Lion manicure is finished. They are looking so stinking cute. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my Detroit Lions manicure. I think it is superb. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It is easy to do. Water decals. I don't know where I got them from. They are laser cut water decals. That much I do know. Because it says so right there. I just don't know where I ordered them from. Someplace local. That much I think. I don't know. I could be wrong, but I don't know. I don't know if that tells you anything. MSD Detroit? No, probably not. I don't know. Probably not. I don't know. I don't know. Google it. That's what I'll tell you. I'll tell you to Google it. That's what I did, I think. That's what I think I did, was I Googled it. I don't know. I really don't know. I've had these for over a year, so I really don't know where I got them. I didn't Google it. I really did. Excuse me. So leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all the notification bell, that way you get notified of all future giveaways, videos, giveaways, anything important that may slide across my desk. We do have a giveaway coming up once I hit 1,500, so please help share me about. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.